I want to show you different types of widgets that you can integrate into OpenBB. So first of all, let's look into what makes this metric widget. I'll go into these widget types. You can also find these into the documentation. This here is just a decorator that basically simplifies the creating the widget.json. But you can see that we can have like images and things like that. But let's look into here. So let's go first for the metric widget. We can find it in this file. Metric widget is available here. So the only thing that changes is type metric. And then here you can see how we are returning the data in a JSON format. So if you were to modify this, let's put, I don't know, 3.5 here and save. And now I right click and I say refresh backend, you'll see 3.5 here. We also have the Markdown widgets. Markdown widgets, which is here. And so it's just an endpoint for the Markdown widget. The endpoint is defined here using Fast API. And then there's the 1, 2, 3 there. Then here you have a simple table widget. Here is, let's go in order here. So here you see the category and the subcategory. So these parameters are for organization purposes. So basically when I add a widget and I look for Markdown, you'll see that they appear like on my data, but you can also see that they will have like their own like categories and subcategories. And so it's just more organization. And then this is data that makes it into the agent when it needs to look for data in specific categories or subcategories. This one with error handling, so you can control the errors as well. So you just have to raise this HTTP exception, and then you can say what was the error that occurred. Next one, you can have an image from a URL. Here's an example. You can have one that is with base64 encoding. So here's from the URL, here's from base64 encoding. A table widget, simple data here, which is this table here. It can also come from an endpoint, which is probably the most common thing that you are going to do, is connecting with real data. So in this case, we're utilizing like DeFi Llama. And then as long as it's provided as a JSON, then it will be laid out onto a table. You can actually control the headers, the size of the headers, the type of the data. So we can get complex fast, but in this video, we're going to keep it simple. You also have an HTML widget. So this is for more complex widgets, if you will, where we want to control the styling. So you can see here what it looks like. For actual enterprise deployments, you can actually enable a feature flag that we have for the infrastructure that allows JavaScript execution. So you can do a lot of more complex things and still leverage the AI capabilities on the side of the workspace. And then you also have like PDFs, either single file PDFs with the base64 or URL, or you can have multiple different PDFs. So this creates the concept of a folder. Essentially, you can go to the next page or you can scroll down. That is up to you. You can also search the terms here. This comes by default. Okay, and this is on the widget types folders is what you can use as reference. And then finally, you have this sample newsfeed, which basically just shows you a concept of a newsfeed that you can use. Yeah, so here you go, and when you click on it, you can actually see the underlying data as well, and you can create widgets from it. So this shows you different types of widgets that you can connect to OpenBB, and it concludes this video.